this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. I'm in front of a nice Namwa ladyfinger ice cream banana plant. It started to ripen. I had a critter come and get one of my yellow ripening bananas, and last night they came and got another one. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest this with just a couple yellow ones. I wanted it to be more, but with a critter getting it, I'm taking no chances. And if you look below, there's the critter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my saw. And this is being held up with a PVC pipe with a string. And the string goes down that way. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that string right here. And you can see I'm removing my support. It shifted just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the critter because it's going to come down this way. But here's the culprit. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the banana plant about a third of the way through so I could bring down this heavy rack to the ground without smashing it, because it probably weighs about 50 or 60 pounds. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and give it a cut. Okay, I heard it cracking a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it right here and here, and I'm going to bring it down real easy. Okay, so if you look, it's down on the ground now. The banana plant is laying flat. So now I could go ahead and remove the rack and cut all the leaves off. Because you all know I like giving the leaves to my chickens. So let's go ahead and cut that rack off. This flour I'm going to give to my chickens. Ew. Okay, so here you go. Here's a nice Namwa rack of bananas. So now I want to cut down the remainder, just like this. Now that's on the ground. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the leaves and give it to my chickens. Okay, so the first day when they were ripening, I took some photos and I posted it on my banana group. And then I came back out here to lock my chickens up and I seen it was eaten. Oh, I was so sad about that. So I was really busy that day. Well, I was going to leave it to the next day, and I came back in the evening and looked, and 2 more were taken. So I decided this morning to go ahead and do the harvesting before more got eaten. Now, you can see this possum over here. I don't know if that was the culprit or if it was something else that climbed up the tree. At first I thought it was a squirrel, but it was taking too much of the banana, so I said, wow, it must be something else. So I put some bananas inside that live trap and put it right underneath the rack, and there's a possum. So this is the banana lover possum, I think, that went ahead and ate my bananas off of that rack. So with that said, I'm going to take this guy and take him out a good distance from the house and release him. That way he doesn't go ahead and come back and eat any more of my bananas. So hey, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel gardener. I hope you enjoyed my harvesting video and the capture of the critter that was stealing my bananas. If you did, give me a like, give me a share. subscribe to my channel. Come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. You'll see photos, articles, a bunch of good members on there posting all about their banana plants as well. Hope to see you there. Okay, so I went ahead and cut down the rest of the banana plant. You can see how nice and fat that was. Now this one here will probably be the next one to have fruit, and that one, and there's 2 more on there. I'm probably going to go ahead and remove 1 or 2 of those. That way it could focus on growing more bananas. Hope you enjoyed my bonus footage. Talk to you soon. Definitely a big heavy rack. I'm going to struggle to get this over to the house.